This is CryptoCake Weekly Update with BitBoy Crypto.
Welcome to CryptoCake Weekly Update. This week's top stories: Ron Paul warns of Bitcoin confiscation, NBA Sacramento Kings offer players and staff salaries in Bitcoin, Starbucks customers can now pay with Bitcoin, Paris Hilton is excited for NFTs in Bitcoin, and finally, former Bitmex CEO Arthur Hayes has been set free, posting bail. Former Congressman Ron Paul shared his view on the potential for government intervention on Bitcoin in an interview last week with Kitco News with Michelle McCory. Paul was asked about the threat of potential gold confiscation of one form or other of government intervention because that concern is rising. McCory then further asked Paul, could they be at risk of a government crackdown? Former Congressman responded stating, absolutely. The government is the threat because they will crack down because they have the ability to do it. Paul was additionally pressed by McCory. What form of a crackdown do you think this could take when we talk about assets like gold and even Bitcoin potentially being at risk of government intervention and higher taxes and regulation? What do you think could happen to those assets? The former congressman replied, I think all of that can happen. He elaborated that either the tax system will be used or the government will just print more money, resulting in the devaluation of the currency. In other news, the NBA Sacramento Kings will offer everyone in its organization the option of getting their salary paid in Bitcoin. This includes players in the league, according to the NBA team's chairman, Vivek Ranadive. Sacramento Kings team chairman reportedly said on Clubhouse on Monday that everyone in the organization could receive their salary in as much Bitcoin as they want. Neil Jacobs, who was president at the Clubhouse meeting, quoted Ranadive, stating the following in a tweet on Twitter, the best place to do a tweet. I'm going to announce in the next few days that I'm going to offer everyone in the Kings organization they can get paid as much of their salary in Bitcoin as they want. Starbucks customers can now pay for their coffee and food with Bitcoin through the Bakkt digital wallet application. Starbucks isn't the only business that will accept Bitcoin via the Bakkt app. Companies like Golf Now, Best Buy, Choice Hotels, and Fiserv are also joining to be on board with Bakkt app payment option. Paris Hilton has expressed that she is very, very excited about Bitcoin, stating in an interview with CNBC that it's definitely the future. Besides confirming that she is a long-term Bitcoin investor, Hilton talked about her upcoming non-fungible token projects, or NFTs. Our final story of the day is in regards to a story we have been following since the beginning of this channel. The tale of Bitmex CEO Arthur Hayes, who surrendered in Hawaii last week and was later released after posting a $10 million bond. Hayes' lawyers described the Singapore resident as a self-made entrepreneur who has been wrongly accused of crimes that he did not commit. They further added, Mr. Hayes voluntarily appeared in court and looks forward to fighting these unwarranted charges. Last month, CryptoCake highlighted that Hayes had proposed to surrender in Hawaii. Hayes and his other business associates have been charged with violating the ancient Bank Secrecy Act. Shh. These individuals include Bitmex co-owners Ben Dello and Greg Dwyer and former Bitmex Chief Technology Officer Samuel Reed. The U.S. DOJ accuses Bitmex of failing to maintain adequate anti-money laundering safeguards, failing to prevent U.S. residents from accessing the exchange. Thank you for watching CryptoCake Weekly Update. Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you never miss the week's vital crypto news. I'm BitBoy Crypto, signing off. See you next week.